Good day, traders, divergence traders. How are we doing today? I hope everybody's fine and well in the Rogers neighborhood. Okay. We have a low and a retracement. Oh, by the way, we're back to MetaTrader. So those few people who kept bugging me, why don't you go back to MetaTrader? We like MetaTrader better. Okay, here we are. So we have a low and a retracement and a lower low. It's easier for me actually with the crosshair. See, with the crosshair, I could easily, let me just show you. Here I am going over here because I think I'm on NinjaTrader still with my toolbox over here. Okay. It's easier for me, and I'll show you why. See, something like that. It's close enough, right? It's a little farther. It doesn't perfectly line up, but let me show you why it's easier. So we click on the, oh, and by the way, those of you trading MetaTrader, if you did not know, okay, if you click on, you don't have to, you probably noticed in the video that I don't go up here. Where is that? Oh, okay. I don't go up here to get the crosshair. I click on the scroll button in the middle of your two mouse buttons, and there it is. Anyway, so on here, I can easily click that, right? And my stop would be at the bottom here, 29 points. And it went up 135 points, okay? On NinjaTrader, in order for me to get the free, it doesn't measure the points for one thing, okay? And to get the thing, you have to go up here somewhere and click on it and get it. Yeah, so what we are going to miss, though, is the 2-minute charts on NinjaTrader. So here we are with MetaTrader again, okay? MetaTrader 4, it's all good. It's the same charts, just a little different, right? We have the same indicators on it, the whole numbers, the pivots and la-di-da, R1, R2, D2, all that stuff. All the goodies. So you had a winner here, immense winner, okay? That was the only trade on the 5-minute for the NASDAQ. Whew. Excuse me. Really tired again today. So let's look at the 1-minute though, okay? Let's look at the 1 minute. How many trades do we have in the 1 minute? Okay, well, we had one right here. Okay, which was from here to here. Okay, and here to here. This is the opening bar, okay? This is the opening right here. So, actually, there's another one here too. Let me show you. Right on the open, right here, from here to here. And from... Oh. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I got mixed up there. That is not a divergence trade. Or is it? No. See, with divergence, you can sometimes get mixed up. I got mixed up there. Sorry about that. Anyway, we did have a trade right here. It's beautiful too because we had one actually up here too on the 1 minute. But would you really want to sell against the trend? Well, we'll put it in there. Okay. It's the 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. I don't have the 2 minute now. Okay, so you would have got short right there. stop was 28 points. Did we get the 28 points? Oh, by the skin of our teeth. Look at that, 28 and a 0.4 points. You would have got some points out of it if you're quick enough to realize, hey, when price comes down to the main pivot here, you know, it's like, get the hell out, right? We can't really go by these numbers because, like I told you before, this actual price right here on MetaTrader, it's off by 80 points. 80, man. That's the damn Forex brokers playing with us. Okay? So anyway, we would have got that one. And this one right here. Okay? Would have got in right here. Our stop would be under here. 28 points. Came down, freaked you out, 21 points. But it went up 60 points, basically. So you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio, just like you would have got your 1-to-1 right here also. And then what did it do? Well, we had one more trade. Let me show you. There. There, you see it now, don't you? Right here, yeah. We would have got short right there. Okay, short here, our stop always goes at the closest near swing high in a sell trade and the closest to a near swing low in a buy trade. Okay, so we had a 32-point stop, and I'm sure we got it. Oh, another one very close. Look at that, 34 points. You see, if you had your take profit set right here, you would have hit it. And your other take profit would have been set over here. You would have almost hit it. But this pivot would have been telling you, get the hell out. Don't chance it. If it's real close to your take profit, just get out. Click it. Click the close button. You know what I mean? Yeah, jelly bean. Yeah. Okay. And then it just turned into, as you can see, a sideways shuffle. Shuffle of shit is what it is. You can see they're very interested in buying off the main pivot here, see? Okay, that's it for the 1 minute. We had the one trade. We had 1, 2, 3 trades on the 1 minute. And we had one trade on the 5 minute. All successful trades. All of them hit the target. 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Hit them all. Oh, it's like I got this sore throat, but I don't. I breathe in, it's really cold. I don't know what the hell's going on. Probably something to do with that fucking shot I got. The fucking jab. Okay. Let's move on now to the S and the P. It's a totally different story, the S and the P. Okay. But we did have a successful trade. We had a low, a retracement, and a lower low. Right there like that. Yeah. It was divergent. This is where we would have got in. Right there in that candle on the opening of it. Your stop was 7 points. It went up 11 points in 10 minutes. Okay? You hit your target. You hit your 7-point target. That's the only trade I see. Well, oh, no, there's one more. The NASDAQ flew up like a rocket ship. And the S and the P. Oh, I'm fucking drawing that wrong. Or no, I'm not. I'm drawing it right. I thought I was drawing it wrong. Okay. So you would have got short right here. Your stop, this is the near swing high, was 9 points. Did we get 9 points? Did we? Yes, we got almost 10 points, and look at where it was, right here at the bottom. And they bought right off there because professional traders they buy off of support, the nearest support level, which is right here. They were buying in here off of here. They buy off of support and they sell off of resistance. And don't forget that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Let's move on now to the Dow. Oh, we haven't looked at the Dow for a long time, eh? Let's check out the Dow, man. Okay, where's the open of the Dow? Oh, right here. This is the opening. That doesn't work. I don't see no fucking trade, man. It's just a chop shop. Let me see. Let me go to the 1 minute. Well, hold on. We do have one trade. It's over here. Double top. Okay, hold on. There, double top, right? And we would have got in on the opening, the cross down of the 5 below the 7, and the price closing below there. We would have got short right here in the opening. The stop would be 63 points. Let's see, did we get 63 points? We got 81 points, so we got our 1-to-1. Son of a gun. Success again on the Dow when I thought, no. Let's check out the 1 minute. Oh, choppy, choppy. Very choppy. Choppy, chop, 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 chop. Oh, I don't see no fucking... I guess it's the same. Yeah, it's the same kind of trade. We have a high. A high and a higher high. Well, I'll draw it in. High and a higher high. Hi, how are ya? Okay, and that goes down there like that. And the same arrow, you would have got in right here. Stop would have been right there. 62. It's the same trade, but on the 1 minute. It's the same exact trade. Just on the 1 minute. Anyway, that's it for the Dow. How about oil? Wow. They smacked it right, right back down to 89 bucks a barrel. Goddamn bastards. Bastards. Look at this shit. Watch. Look, look. Look at this. Here, right here. 1, 2, 3, 5 days ago, it was at $89 a barrel, right? And they rallied it up, man. 6, almost 7 freaking dollars to the top. You know? And look, then they fucking took it right back down here again. You tell me if that's not crazy shit. That's crazy shit. They're trying to get you. You know what I mean? Okay, there's nothing on there. Go back to the 5 minute. Wow. I don't know what to say here. Okay. We have a high and a higher high, right? It's like that. Now, the sell would be in here. Okay. So you would have sold it here. It would have came back on you and scared the living daylights out of you. Because your stop is right here. Okay. And your stop was 34 points away. You would have got it by there. See the blue doodahs right here? Okay, right here to here. There's trades here, ladies and gentlemen. You just have to look for them. Right there. Hidden divergence to the downside. Right there, you would have got in on the opening of this candle. Your stop would have been right here, not far away, only 20 points away. 20 ticks, however you want to call it. You definitely got your 1-to-1 in like 10 minutes. You got it. You got it in 5 minutes, almost. And if you held on all the way down, what'd you get? You got 245 points. So there you have it. Oil was really good today. Oil was good. Like I've said many times before, divergence is on every time frame if you're willing to look for it, and you can find it. Okay, let's look at the pound. Okay, we just made new lows. Look at this. What's this line up here? It's the main pivot of the day. Just want to show you this trade up here in the UK session. This is the open of the UK. Okay, this is a double top. See, missed it by a little bit. But this here double top is one reason it's telling you, hey, look for a sell, man. We're probably going down. And the second thing is the pivot, the main pivot of the day. They're selling off the pivot. It's like, it's almost a guaranteed win. That's the way you got to look at it, okay? If you have these pivots, that is. Another thing I want to say, there is a lot of different pivot indicators which display prices at different pivot points. Most of them never worked for me in the past when I used to look at them like probably 10 years ago. Yeah, it must be 11 years ago because I put this one on my chart 11, 12 years ago and never changed it. Kept it the same. Okay? So this is the one that tells you what's going on. So anyway, if you would have got short, oh, I gotta put on my little doodie. Oh, it's right there. This is a zero drawdown trade right here. Boom. As soon as you got in, your stop would have been around 10 pips. Okay? Went down, went down, went down, went down 60 pips down here. Okay? It was a very nice winning trade. And then we had nothing that I can see. There's no hidden divergence here. Oh well, and there's no like a high retracement, higher high. No, no. This is higher. This needs to be a lower mountain peak than this one. And it's not. So the only thing you could trade here is the crossover. And the cross down, I should say. The 5 crossing down below the 7. That would have been your sell trade on the pound. Okay, let's put this back on. And the euro, what did the euro do? See, it did its double top above the main pivot today. See that? At the exact same time as the pound, the euro, the king, did its double top, and the euro, which is the queen, okay, did her double top, which is right here, which would have told you to sell. Hold on, I gotta draw this in. Hold on. There we go. Okay, let's get that arrow. Your entry would have been right there. When price crosses down and the moving average crosses down, you would have got short right there. Your stop was your closest swing high, 13 pip stop, went down 60 pips. You would have got your 1-to-1 right there. If you held on, it kept going down about 40-something points. And if you kept on holding on all day, Marianne, oh, well, it went down 86 points. But look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you something here. See the high of the day right there? Right down to the low of the day? What do you see there? I see a fucking 100. Do you have any inclination how many times I've seen moves from the top of the day to the bottom of the fucking day exactly 100 fucking pips? How is that possible? The market is manipulated. The market is controlled. And I'm beginning to believe and give credit to ICT for him saying it's not volume. It doesn't trade on volume. It doesn't trade on buying pressure or selling pressure. It trades from an algorithm. Can you fucking believe that, ladies and gentlemen? There's something I'm going to show you at the end of this. Oh, we are at the end. Okay, let me show you what I think you should start practicing. Say you like to trade the NAS, right? The NASDAQ. So what I want you to do is simply this. Let's go to the 30-minute, okay? Every day after it's finished trading, okay, what I want you to do is take your horizontal line and find a level, right, over here, the top. Oh, that's the wrong one. Sorry, that's the wrong one. Find a top, like the top of the wick, put a line there, okay? Oh, look at that. What happened there? Oh, I don't know. That's a mystery. Okay? Just need to do 2 levels. If you want, this one has a 3rd one. If you want to, you can. You can put it on the 3rd one. So you need 2 at the top and 2 at the 2 levels from the bottom of Friday. Okay? So we'll take another one and we'll put it right there. Okay? And one more. Hold on. Right here. Okay? There's our 2 levels on the bottom. There's our 2 levels, well, 3 levels on the top. I still think it's possible we're going to reach up here, as ICT would say. I've done this for forever. I've only used to put just one line, no, from the one line at the top and one line at the bottom, right? I used to do that all the time before I'd start, trading, whatever. But now I want to put them every day and more than one. I want to find a few levels, okay? Look, if I put one here, this level right here, look right here. Now let's go down now. You go on the 30-minute or the 1 hour or whatever, and you find your levels, you mark them, okay? And that's it. Then you go back to the 5-minute and look at this. See how it came to that level and bounced off there? See how it came to this level and really bounced off there, right back up here. You see that, ladies and gentlemen? But what did it first do? What did it first do, ladies and gentlemen? In the UK session, it came up to this level and they sold off of it. That's a level, you just seen me put the white lines on. See? There's the 2 lines in the top. I still think we might go up here yet and to this level right up here. So anyway, look at this sideways shit show. I hope you're not trading now because it's not good. Not good. You're going to get caught in the wrong side of that crap. That whiplash crap. But anyway, start this as a practice. I'm going to do it every day anyway. I guess you don't have to do it. I can show you. I'll show you every day in the video. Okay? So I'm going to show you, because I'm going to mark them today at 12 o'clock. All these lines that are here right now, I'm going to remove them and change them. Well, unless they're at the same levels. Like this one, I'll probably keep this one. And this one down here because, well, yeah, I'll probably keep this one, and we'll see if we might reach up to here today. It might go back up to here, or maybe they'll turn it around and come back down here again. Who knows? But what's most important is that if you have a level down here and the market's coming to it and it's almost touched it, you don't want to be selling down there. You're going to fucking lose. Just like if price is coming up here to one of these levels, you don't want to buy up there. You know what I mean? You could probably lose. So anyway, that's it for the show today. Once again, my name is Jason Sweezy, and I love to trade divergence for one very, very important reason. I believe it works, but I honestly think you need to throw some support and resistance in there, which is these levels of white lines that I just put on the chart, okay? They are going to tell you what to do and what not to do. So thanks for listening and watching, and if you could be so kind, hit the like button and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Because it's free to like and it's free to subscribe. Okay? Have a great trading afternoon, ladies and gents. Good luck and good trading.